like this. I wanted it to be.
Okay, you got to come over a little bit then.
I am.
So, hey,
Hi.
how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm wonderful.
Awesome.
So I'm thanking you ahead of telling you what we're gonna do today and to come. But thanks for coming today and just working out this project
Thank you
that
for
we're going to
having me.
present to everybody. So I am Adrian.
And I'm Adrian.
Yeah, so you got two Adrians today.
Adrian squared, they say.
Yes, Adrian's. This is an Adrian thing.
It is.
Collaboration. Let's tell them what we're gonna do. Y'all know I'm a creator. I'm a maker. I make all kinds of things with Chalises, right? Skincare. But if you know me from the past, I've made dolls. I've made jewelry. I've made purses. I've done so many different things, and I've always wanted to have classes to teach people all of these things that I know. All of them. And this is just the start of it. So I met Adrian as a customer, but I found out that she is equally as creative as I am and can actually help in these classes that we're going to do.
Absolutely.
So tell them what you do.
So I, like Adrian, do a myriad of things. I'm just one of those people, I'll do something for a little while and then I get bored and then I move on to the next thing. But there are some things that I love more than others. Yeah. I think both of us would say we have a passion for something.
Something.
And one of my passions is just creating and creating beautiful jewelry, things that people can wear.
Yes. So because of that, we came together and thought, well, let's start with that. So this year, after being in business for 10 years, we're doing something new this year. Absolutely. And that is actually fulfilling something off of my checklist, and that is to do classes. The first class that we're going to do with Adrian's expertise and instruction is
Bracelets and Mimosas.
Bracelets and Mimosas. What a name. Y'all, we're going to have so much fun.
Exactly.
All sorts of fun. Just with the name alone, just lets you know we're going to have fun. And that's part of the whole thing of being a creative, is to just really enjoy. Come together with some friends. Bring a friend to our first jewelry making class, which is Bracelets and Mimosas. So this is a sample of some of the things that you might experience with some kits we put together that would create some of these beautiful pieces, right? You got these colors. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up.
Absolutely.
And the theme, of course, is love. And the colors of love are red, white, and pink. But you can do whatever you want. We'll put kits together for you and give you some choices and options, including charms that you see displayed here. And I think well, yeah, okay. This one's looking at me, so I think it says progress over
perfection.
Over perfection. I love that. And look, the color matching right there. What does this one say?
But God.
But God, right? And then love never fails. That's perfect for this coming season.
Exactly.
So what we're going to do is invite you guys to come on our first mimosa or bracelet and mimosa workshop, I guess, on February the 10th is when it's going to be. Haven't come up with the time yet, but probably morning.
I'm thinking
morning.
10-ish.
10-ish. That sounds good to me. 10 o'clock in the morning on February the 10th, which is a Saturday, just in time for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
The cost of it is going to be $35. Yeah. But with that, you're getting expert instruction.
Yes.
And this is a beginner's class, though, by the way. We're going to do a series of classes, right?
But don't be intimidated or moved by the word beginner.
Yes.
It's beginner in theory, but you can take this and do anything with it that day. If you're more advanced, you can do something a little more advanced. But this is really for people who have never done it before.
Right.
And a friend.
Yes, right. So we're going to do the jewelry, have the kits ready, everything that you pretty much see here as options. You're going to get a bead mat, right? And then you'll have an option to take, well, you will take this home, the bead mat. And then this bead design board will be offered for a cost, but you can take these things home with you after the class. And of course, we're going to be drinking some mimosas, right? So cheers to our first time. Look forward to seeing you guys.
Can't wait to see you.
Yes, we're going to put it on our website and send some emails out to you guys, and social media, both Adrian and mine. Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, all of that, so you'll know and keep up with what's going on with us. So thank you so much for tuning in, or, you know, and we hope to see you soon.
See you soon.
Yeah, bye. Bye.